March 6th. March 6, 2000. What? 22. We're on the third Hebrew date. And look at the Superdome red also. Double red. So you know what's getting ready to happen, right? Double red. The Most High show my ensign, which is red, the red sky. We got double red on these landmarks in New Orleans, Louisiana. Even the digital sign was showing red. Can't get away from it. Let's say triple. Let's say triple. Passing by the Caesar Superdome in New Orleans. This is the third day of I got an emergency vehicle right down here too. Passing right on time. Right on time. This is the third day of the 12th Hebrew calendar month, ADAR 2, year 5782. The Most High is showing the city of New Orleans. He's showing that there's going to be death. It's going to be death. And that van could have stayed in another lane, but confirmation of the red, it could have stayed in another lane. The blinkers are usually what? Yellow. For some reason they had a red blinker. But confirmation. The Most High wants the legislators in the Louisiana, state of Louisiana, to pass a word, even a governor of Louisiana to pass a word that $100 million get in my hand, who is King Mashiach Ben David, or we say Melech Moshiach Ben David, of the bloodline of King David, Melech David. Remember what you saw this night, because there's gonna be a lot of blood. We've been seeing the red back to back. A lot of blood. Also, the state of Texas owes me $500 million. Let their legislators and also governor get that $500 million into my hand, into my bank account. Texas has been getting hit over and over with Arctic blasts. They've been on freeze out there. I know, because I'm looking at it every day. I'm looking at it every day by a source. I'm looking at it every day. So the Most High, He's moving to cause things to happen major in the city of New Orleans. Look at the red. even on the train, we get the highlight of the red. My goodness. Father, you mean business. They have held out on this $600 million to put in my account. So terrible things are going to happen. And I know by that tanker, the Most High is sending terrible, grievous whirlwind. Terrible weather. My goodness. My goodness. There's no change and men and women in authority to make sure I get that money. That money should have been in my hands. Been in my hands. So shalom. Also, brothers and sisters, you can use cash.me / Shegal1, SHEGAL1, $SHEGAL1.